Hi guys, in this video I want to share with you guys a simple method that would actually allow you to buy and sell crypto ASAP. And this particular method I want to share with you guys is one that will actually help you to be able to either buy crypto or sell crypto at your convenience and at any time. Now, I remember a couple of months back, Binance was already banned, and Binance was actually one of the top leading platforms where people actually buy and sell crypto. Now, there are also other platforms where you can actually buy and sell crypto, and I've done a couple of videos around that on this particular channel here. But then, guys, people still ask me every single day, Franklin, how do I buy crypto? How do I sell crypto? Now, people who actually have some cash in their hand are looking for an opportunity where they most probably will be able to, buy some crypto in USDT and save their money, stash their cash somewhere. And people who actually, need more cash at hand are looking for how to transfer their crypto assets over to fiat, right? And that is basically what P2P is. P2P, peer-to-peer, where people can actually transact crypto and fiat assets within themselves. That is exactly what it is. Now, this is actually one of the most convenient method of transactions so far, especially when you are actually in a space where it is not easy to convert your currency over to another currency. And we all know that, naira to dollar, like the rate has actually been crazy. And due to the depreciation of the naira, people just want to convert the asset they have over to a crypto asset that is more stable. Short most time USDT because it is a more stable currency and will actually help them hedge against the current inflation or depreciation of the naira. And that is exactly what it is. And here we have the Coinex P2P. These guys basically have actually created a P2P platform that most probably would help us to be able to do P2P at our own convenience. And there are a couple of features that the Coinex P2P is actually bringing into the market just to give you a better experience with your transaction. Now, the very first one here is zero fees, where you get to trade without incurring any additional expense or cost. The second is the wide choices, where you can access the platform from anywhere and trade with different currency. And the third is the high efficiency, where you get to experience swift trading and communication with swift transaction speed. Now, this and many more are a couple of features that Coinex are bringing to us right here on the table. And let me just share with you how you can easily access their P2P and get started with converting your currency. So you basically want to go ahead and sign up with Coinex. I'm going to be leaving the link for you guys down in the description of this particular video, so it's easy for you to proceed and sign up, create your account, do your KYC and all. And once you've been able to do that, you can see this is the dashboard on here. We're going to proceed next to over, and on the fiat side, you can see P2P. Click on it right here, and it takes you over to this very page where you can actually buy and sell crypto. Then you can see that the one currency they have here is USDT for starters. And besides, this is actually the most stable currency on crypto right now, and this is what most people will actually be trading. Okay, so it's either you want to buy or you want to sell. So if you want to buy crypto, you want to come over here, and you can see this set of people. They have this one have done 48 trades with 76% completion. This one 21 trades, and a couple of other people. So let me just say, for instance, Coinex just started up their P2P side of things, and I'm going to do on that video that would really show you how you can actually start making as much as 100k every single day, right? With this particular feature that is on Coinex right now. Let me know if you're interested in that particular video. Just say, yes, Franklin, I am interested in the crypto money video. Let me know in the comment section below, okay? So let's say you actually want to click on this guy. Just want to click on buy right now, and you can say, okay, let's say you want to buy crypto worth of 10,000 naira. You'll be receiving 6.51 USDT, and you want to select payment method, OP digital services. That's fine, and you want to click on buy USDT. Now, what is going to happen next is that on this particular space, you would see where, this particular person, there is a pending acceptance here, and you can see all of his details. And what simply happens here is that this particular, person has to accept the order within the time limit. So once he accepts the order, right, you'll be able to see all of his details with which you can now proceed to, make payments to him. You're going to be paying the amount of 10,000 to him, and we are waiting for him to be able to accept it because you want him to be online. So you can see here, the P2P has been confirmed, and his details are now available to me. Okay, his details are now available to me. And all I need to do now is to proceed to send 10,000 naira to this particular account number. Okay, once you have made the payment of 10,000 naira to this particular person's details, you want to click on I have paid. Okay, so you're going to click on I have paid right here, and it's asking you to upload the document that is needed here. Let's go ahead and do that. So once we've done that, we just click on confirm, and it has been sent. So we're just going to be waiting for this seller to release the crypto. Okay, that's all. So in less than 5 seconds later, this person has already released the crypto, and you can see here it says seller has released crypto, transaction has been completed. You have received 6.51 USDT. Okay, I'll click on view assets, and you can see that I already have 6.51 USDT on here. Okay, that exactly is it. So that's what we've just done, right? Straight up. And this is the same method you can use to sell your crypto. So if that 6.51 I have, I can come here and say, oh, I want to sell that 6.51, and I can say, oh, I would sell my 6.51. But then we need to actually check on the order limits of every of the person here, right? So this particular person, his order limit is at about 10,000 to 250K. We need to look for somebody that is actually going to, let's see this person here. So this person is within our limit, 6.51. Okay, so we're going to be getting 9,850, and you can just put in your bank details. And once you have your bank details and proceed, and the person is going to pay you back cash into your bank account, and you give him the crypto, you release the crypto to him. So this is the very simple process on how you can actually buy and sell cryptocurrency. And like I said, it's going to work for those of us who actually want to save our assets in crypto. And if you need quick cash, we can always withdraw back using P2P. And Coinex is basically here to give us this particular feature. Okay, so go ahead right now, use the link in the description, get started with this. And guys, if you love this video, give it a thumbs up, like it, and subscribe. If you have more questions, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Peace.